Nahan is our choice for the traveler's choice in the north. That's easy. The royal family of Sirmaur chose it as their leisure place. It's neither too hot nor too cold. It's at 3,000 feet. It's close 5 hours from Delhi. It's 2 hours from Dehradun, which is Uttarakhand really. And then 2 hours from Ambala or Chandigarh. It's right there, it's central. It has a flat piece of land at the 3,000 feet where, it's really good for senior citizens who really want an outing. So they prefer to come there, and once they are there, they can have their parties, you can do a bonfire, you can have great meals which are home cooked. We also have something very interesting there, and that is their royal dinner. The way the royalty used to have it. So there's a room, we put on candle lights. In that particular room, we've retained the essence of having candles instead of lights. It's only candles on the table and on the chandeliers and everywhere. So it's a lovely experience. After all, what is travel? You get to a place, there's a room, you need the food, you need the experience.
Now you've reached. What do? You actually put on your hiking boots and go into the private forest, which is also a part of the property, and go for a long hike. And there'll be a guy following you like you're a Bara Saab, and he will carry some water for you and some food and some sandwiches. Make a little picnic. It's quiet, peaceful in the middle of your private forest. And then you walk back. Now you're tired as hell. So what do? Well, you take a nap on the soft, comfortable, cushiony bed, pull in your quilt, and you're done for the day.
So after you sat here and looked at the actual books of these writers on the wall, you said, let's go out somewhere. So you can go to Paonta Sahib, which is about 45 minutes from there. It's the Gurdwara, it's very famous. Or you can go to Renuka Lake, which has the Renuka Mata Mandir. And that's also amazing. You can do some boating there. Or you can simply go down to the market and enjoy the local flavors. Maybe the chudi wala, as sometimes Rohit says, the ghee wala, you can buy some bakery. It's real fun. It's a small town. It's fun. Tell them about the design.
Oh, the design is just fabulous. There is the Maharaja and the Maharani room, which makes you feel like a king and a queen. There is this room which is like based on the elephant. It's called Bridge Raj. It has a swing. It's right inside, son.
Amazing things you do here. And what about the stories? So the stories of the Nautch girl was the dancing girls of those times. It was a thing in those Purana Zamana days.
And she danced across the wire. And then
across the river.
Yeah, across the river. And then she got cursed by she cursed the king and queen and said, there is a curse.
No spoilers.
Yeah.
There is a curse of the Nautch girl, which we can't tell you. You have to get there and the rest of the story will be told. Right?
Right.
No spoilers. अब बात रह गई choice की. So it was clearly the royal family's choice to have their leisure place there.
It was our choice to take it over and run it as a seclude.
Yeah, we love it. And all the travelers who've come there, they've given us a pretty much 10-star rating. They also clearly love it. तो हमारे travelers की तो choice है. I hope the jury likes it too.